In this video, you'll learn how to see everyone at once in Google Meet using the tiled layout. This is especially helpful for group discussions, classes, or team meetings where you want to keep an eye on everyone's reactions and stay more connected to the whole group. First, you'll need to join a Google Meet. You can do this by clicking a meeting link you've been given or by going into Google Meet and entering the meeting code. Once you're in the meeting and you can see at least one other participant, you're ready to adjust your layout. It's usually easier to do this on a computer rather than a phone because all the layout options are available on the desktop version. Now that you're in the meeting, look toward the bottom of your screen for the meeting controls. You should see icons for turning your microphone and camera on or off, as well as a few other options. What you're looking for is the More Options button. It's represented by three vertical dots, sometimes called the three-dot menu. Move your mouse so the controls are visible, then click on those three dots labeled More Options. This opens a small menu with several settings you can adjust during the meeting. Take a moment to look at the different options so you're familiar with what's there, but for now, we'll focus on the layout settings. In that menu, find and click on the option called Change Layout. When you select it, a layout settings window will appear. This is where you choose how the video feeds are arranged on your screen. Google Meet offers a few different layouts, but the one we want is called Tiled. Click on Tiled to switch to that view. The tiled layout arranges participants in a grid so you can see as many people as possible at the same time. Depending on the size of your screen and how many people are in the call, Google Meet will automatically adjust how many tiles it shows. Some versions of Google Meet also allow you to adjust how many tiles appear using a slider within the same layout window. If you see that option, you can drag the slider to show more or fewer participants at once, depending on what works best for you. Showing more tiles lets you see more faces, but keep in mind that each tile will appear smaller, so adjust it to a level that is comfortable for your eyes. Once you've selected tiled, you can simply close the layout window. Your meeting will now display in the tiled view, and you should be able to see everyone, or at least as many participants as your screen allows at one time. If someone starts presenting their screen, Google Meet may adjust the layout to highlight the presentation, but you can always revisit the change layout option and confirm that tiled is still selected. That's all you need to do. Join your meeting, click More Options, choose Change Layout, and select Tiled. With that, you'll have a much better overview of everyone in your Google Meet, making conversations more natural and collaborative.